Hello, I'm Tom Booker, Senior Instructor. Thank you for joining me. This is the Kata Nihon-Mae. We'll be looking at this from the front. We will be looking at this from the side. We'll go slowly at first, then we'll take these a little bit faster. Now we're starting with standing position, single step forward with my right foot. I'm drawing upward and coming into a roof block here. Then I'm doing an overhead cut to my opponent's head. I'm looking back behind me, turning, bringing the sword up, full overhead cut to an opponent behind me, looking over my right shoulder, pivoting back to the front, again bringing my sword up, full overhead cut to the opponent in front of me, coming back to Chudan no Kamae, Chiburi, and then Noto at the end. Let's take another look at that. Step forward, roof block, overhead cut, head high. Look, turn. Full overhead cut, look, turn, full overhead cut. Then Chiburi and Noto. All right, one more look at that. Now let's have a look at it from the side. Again, with my right foot, I'm taking a single step forward, draw, I come up into a roof block, overhead cut to my opponent's head. I'm not coming all the way through on this first one. Then look, turn, full overhead cut, look, turn, full overhead cut. Chiburi and Noto. All right, let's have one more look at that. And that is Nihon-Mae. We've seen it from the front. We have seen it from the side. Thank you very much for joining me.